Is COVID punishment from God? It's my opinion. No, it's not the punishment from God. If you convince yourself this is a punishment from God, then you done the shirk or you done the big mistake. God calls blasphemy. It is inscribed in the holy book of Islam, Christianity and Judaism. What is blasphemy? Before I prove my claim, I will give you a clear view on this subject. There is a hadith by Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He speak about the virus and the plague, or today it's called epidemics. He warns us 1400 years ago. Remember the hadith? Do not enter or do not out from this area where the virus affected. From this story we know, and he warned us. He knew about the virus, and he knew there will be a place which will not be affected, and there will be a place where the virus affected area. If you look back in the history in our religious, you should know when punishment come from the God is only for the territory or only for the tribes or some places or some people. It's not whole world. So now look what is happening around the world. The whole world is now under the lockdown. You should know this is not the punishment from God. It's something else. Who did it and why they did it? Look the footstep. You will know who did it and why they did it. Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that Dajjal will rule the world from Jerusalem, and Dajjal is in unseen world right now. So he need the soldier here on this earth. So he has two soldiers, his right hand and left hand, Yajuj and Majuj, Gog or Magog. So these are the people who did it, and why they did it? They want to rule the world from Jerusalem. That's why they did it. If they want to rule the world from Jerusalem, then or the state of Israel should be expand, or the whole world should be smaller. So they doing both sides. You know what is meaning. So the whole world will be smaller, and it is very easy to control after the Great War. So now you know why and who did it. After this, you will blame God instead of Dajjal, Yajuj and Majuj. Your judgment will be wrong and you will fail the test. You know, everywhere Dajjal is connected, the reality and the appearance exactly opposite to each other. Up to this, we know God is not created the COVID-19. The Gog and Magog tribes did it. I am giving you an example. Everywhere Dajjal connected, the matters, reality and appearance should be different or exactly opposite to each other. Remember the story, Prophet Jesus and the Bani Israel. Those who believe Prophet Jesus, they are past the test, and those claim this is a bastard child because they see only by external vision. So they fail. From the story of Suleiman, we know the mission of Dajjal to blindness and Jasad. Who follows Dajjal, they will be internally blind and look like Jasad. They don't have thinking power. They believe only the external vision, whatever they see. And we know from the story of Surah Al-Kahf, Musa and Khadir, whatever we see from externally, if you take the decision based on the external vision, your judgment will be wrong and you will fail the test. It's happened with the Bani Israel and the Prophet Jesus story. So now it's up to you, or most important thing for the Muslim. As per my knowledge, Dajjal has two specific mission for mankind. Number one, they take Yahud people as a ride, false ride. Number two, Dajjal test you have a faith or not. So in your heart, if you take the jab, goodbye to the faith. If you consider this is the work of God or this is the punishment from God, goodbye to your faith. You are now in the camp of Gog and Magog. From the story of 9900 people will go hellfire out of 1000. So from this story we know maximum people will go and follow Dajjal. So you should run in the other side because 99 people are doing wrong. So that's why they're going to hellfire. From this story we know, after all, do not take the vaccine or COVID jab. If you took, you fail the test like others fail. Remember the story of Noah alayhi salam and his son and the flood and the boat. He cannot save his son